How to change video quality on YouTube. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change the video quality on the YouTube app. First thing you're going to have to do, open up the application and make sure to log into your account. Now just select any video where you want to change its quality. Here I have opened up this video, so let's say if I want to change its quality, I can just tap on the screen or the video to bring out the settings menu, tap on the gear icon, and then go to quality. From here, if this is selected to auto, it will recommend the best quality for your conditions like your internet connection. But if you always want a higher picture quality, tap on this. And if you are on mobile data, it will always run a higher quality video like 720p or 1080p. And if you want it to be lower or data saver, you could choose this option as well. It will run the video on a lower quality. And if you want a custom quality, go to advanced. And then from here, you can select all of these options. So let's say if I want a full quality or HD, I can select 1080p. Or if there is anything higher than that, you can select it as well. But you could also change your video preference. So go to the U tab and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. From here, you can go to General and then you can choose your preference. So what you need to do is change the video preference here. So once you're on the settings, you can go to video quality preferences and change the quality preference from here. If you always want the video to play on the higher quality, select this one. And you can select the video quality on Wi-Fi as well as on mobile data. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.